JavaScript series. Yeah, welcome to all of you on the day third of JavaScript series, in which we will be having a very specific project today, which is basically the key codes, which is being actually governed by JavaScript. We'll show you what is the key code in some couple of seconds. We'll show you what is this key code after some time, so that you 1 second. Hello. Is it audible now? A warm welcome to all of you. Hello. 1 second, let me check. So, a warm welcome to all of you on the day third of JavaScript project, which we will be doing today. And you all are eligible for. We will be doing today. Okay, fine. My voice and audio is perfectly fine. I checked it out. Earlier there was some issue, so that the voice is not showing. So a warm welcome to all of you in the day third of JavaScript project, in which we will be doing a key code project, event key code project. And here every key has a different code in JavaScript. Every key, even it is F1 space, enter, shift, alt, alphabets, numeric, up, page down, home key, and page down. Every key has a specific keyword in JavaScript. So we will be actually preparing this keyword generator, and as soon as you press any of the key, you will be able to get to know the key code, and what the name of the key. So this is how we will be preparing this with the help of JavaScript. And let me tell you one thing. Today is the day third, and today is the day third of this project, and I've already picked up and completed the JavaScript of this project. Sorry, the index.html and style.css. That means the HTML and the CSS have already been completed for this thing. Now we will be adding the JavaScript functionality, so that this will actually start functioning. So quickly, let me start this now. 1 second. So I hope 1 second. Yes, perfectly fine. So now let me start, or let me inbuilt this with JavaScript, so that as soon as we press any of the key uh, in this functionality, what we will be building. All, and let me show you. ML. Okay, so 1 second. Here, uh, 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 Control C. I will have JavaScript event key codes. So as you all can see, every show you here. So every key has a specific code, event code in JavaScript. So let me Q W E D space enter shift up arrow left arrow right arrow down arrow left arrow. So every key. So this we will be preparing today. So let me adjust my screen first. So here, let us start with the JavaScript now. So we'll have const insert equals to document. We'll have the get element by ID. We'll use the insert. Fine. So now we'll use the window and add window add 1 second window add event listener, and we'll add the event to the keydown function and insert the event which we will be going to 1 second. Curly brackets open. We'll insert the inner HTML and use this. And here we will call a div with class as key we will use the $sign event we'll use a $sign event, and here 1 second. Okay, we'll use the $sign curly bracket event dot key and we'll call means we will start with the space bar. As you all can see, press any key to get the key code. The space colon event will be the key here. So now we will make it small. Closing this small function and closing the div. So this we will take. Once again, let me check. Once again, const insert equals to document dot get element by id. We'll use the insert function here. Find. And here window dot add, we will add the event listener with key down. We'll have the event insert html insert dot inner. Okay, we'll use the inner html, and here we will have the div with the class as key. And here we will use the event as key and the space event dot key perfect. So we will use the small function is small event dot key small div perfect. Once again, so this is thing perfect. Now now we'll use the second one, but we'll do one thing. We'll copy this completely and paste it here. So div use the same class, and here the event will be the key code. Event will be the key code. Okay, and the small will be here. Okay, and will be event dot key code in the small only. Now here let me remove it and we'll type it now because copy paste will not work here. We'll use a dollar sign, curly brackets, event dot key code, and here we will close the div. Fine, perfect. So now we'll use this again once more, and here the class again is the same because three columns, three blocks has to be there, in which if we type any of the alphabet or any of the key of the keyboard, what will happen? It will show us the name of the key and the code. So we will be having the common class as key and adding a functionality differently to all this. And here not key code, where we want the code and small key code. Okay, small div. Okay, fine. And now we will close the bracket here. 1 second, closing. Now let me check. This one is for this one, and oh, 1 second. Let me adjust properly. So now saved it, and here this is the functionality what I was talking about. So if I earlier, let me close this once again, and we'll show you. See the first page. Please press enter. Press any key to get the key code. So here we have enter. Press any key to get the key code with the class as key and id as insert. So we have actually called this id insert here, and now as soon as I press any of the key here, D, and now let me check once again. With the Chrome also, what it is showing. JavaScript key, not key, event key code. So we'll cross check it is working perfectly fine or not. So we'll press the key here, D, and let me see. So the D, no. 1 second. So D have the key code as 68, and the event code is key D. So now we'll have the space, and here also let us check the space. Okay, fine. So it is in proper sync, and it is working perfectly fine. So now we will use the up arrow as shown, up arrow, and here also we'll check the up arrow, and it is almost perfectly doing in synchronization. So this is what the code for the event key codes. So that's it for the day. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow, day 4th. And let me tell you once again, if any of the candidate will complete any of the 3 projects which we will be doing in all the 5 days, any of the 3 project, if any person will do it and share the GitHub link, he will be eligible for uh, a completion certificate. So let me show you. Earlier also we have issued some completion certificates to the candidates, who have completed these projects and shared us the GitHub link so that we can check it out, we can process it, and we will be posting this to our LinkedIn profiles also, so that it will be helpful to those person also. So that's it for the day. Thank you, and thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.